This video is for Blue 1 on December 19th. It's the last day this class meets for this semester, so I wanted to make sure, even though I'm not here today, that I touch base with you guys. So, on Schoology, I just wanted to point a couple things out. Everyone who was here on Friday did the Gulliver's Travels quiz. So, unless you weren't here Friday, you don't need to worry about that. The last thing for most of you is the Gulliver's Travels allegory, satire, and perspective. It is a discussion board. Looks like only one of you have posted that. And on this one, it's pretty simple. It's basically a one paragraph discussion board. And you're writing either about the concept of allegory, satire, or the relativity of perspective in Gulliver's Travels. You're able to use the book. The books are over on the bookcase. So grab one of those if you need that for the assignment. And then you will simply, I recommend you type it in Microsoft Word. When you're finished, you copy that and paste it into the discussion board. Also wanted to point out, some of you, a few of you are getting a Schoology message from me because you haven't done the Unit 2 Study Sync test, which to get to that, you have to go through Clever, select the Red McGraw-Hill, and then on Study Sync, I've extended the time so you can still do that, okay? The other thing I wanted to mention is the Hamlet Literary Analysis. Quite a few of you did not submit that. Today would be the last opportunity to submit that assignment. So I've sent you a Schoology message if you are missing that assignment. And you know that you can still get that in. Please check Skyward, see what your grade is. And I want everybody to get the grade that they earn and deserve. I want everyone to get the best grade possible. And to do that, you just got to make sure you take care of these couple things as we wrap up the semester. All right, that's all I've got for you guys. Be good, and I will see you next semester. Have a great break if I don't see you tomorrow in the hallways. All right, thank you.